Guys, so it is Vlogmas day 8 and it is Max's birthday, December 7th, and he is turning 12 years old. There he is. So yes, this is for you. So this Barkbox we actually got a few weeks ago. It is this one, and we just haven't opened it yet, and so I was like, he can open it on his birthday. And Penny is gonna eat some of the treats too, because obviously I ordered this for the both of them, not just Max. Even though Max is the one who plays with the toys, Penny isn't a dog who really plays with toys. She has a few, but no new one. Like, she doesn't like new ones. So yes, we're about to open your package. So he's very excited about this. No, you can't eat the box. Let me open it. The box. Look. Gift is for you. We have a beef burger chew. That smells so nice, doesn't it? You wrote me a letter? Really? So then, roast beef, chew on this pork. Have some pork. Penny, you have some pork? And then he always gets the special one just because she's had trouble with stuff like that in the past. So we have roast beef, roast beast, but tis my chicken, tis isn't yours. Max. I know, they're all concerned about the food in their dishes. You have some chicken? Not as excited about the chicken. We had two toys. We have the Grinch. So I'll take the tag off in a minute to give it to him. Then I get the extra toy bundle. So then we have the Grinch's gift. Don't open until Barkbox day. So I don't know. Oh, there's like a ball in there. We have a squirrel and nutty stew. Yeah, I'll give it to you in a minute. And then this, which this is going to be really difficult to get on him, but the Grinch's dog's name is Max. And my dog's name is Max, so it's fitting. So let me take the tags off and then I'll cut into these and get them some of those. We ran away with the Grinch down there, trying to bite the Grinch's head off. We have some chicken. Here's one for you, and one for you. So they seem to like that. And we have the pork. So there's one, and then for you. Here is the burger Max.
What is?
And there you go. It's a beef burger. This is the letter that my dogs wrote me. You're gonna hear them in the background. Dear human, first off, thank you for the Barkbox. This is the time of year when humans start acting way more jolly, but I know it's not always eggnog and candy canes. I've seen you grumble and gripe your way through an early Monday morning. You've seen me get a little pushy with the new pups at the dog park, and we both had fun growling at the cable guy. But you don't always have to be the best version of yourself to be my favorite person in the world. Whenever I see you, it always feels like the first time. Oh, your face lights up, my tail starts sagging, and it's the greatest part of my day. So sure, we all get a little grouchy sometimes, but you're still my number one, and I'll always love you, and the way you've always loved me. Now please help a dog out and unwrap this thing already. Love your dog. That is definitely something they would say, but yeah. So that ball is gonna stay outside, and then the squirrel is gonna be inside. But I hope y'all enjoyed Vlogmas Day 8. I just wanted to do a little Barkbox unboxing and showing you Max on his birthday because he was my second pet. He is 12 years old. I've had him that long, and they're chasing a squirrel now. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe.